how to download and install Audacity in Windows operating system. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you install Audacity audio editor software in your PC or laptop, whether you are using Windows 11 or 10. No need to worry, all the steps are same. Just remember the channel name Hascree and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open your Chrome browser and type here, Audacity in the search bar and press enter. Then tap on this first link. One thing you will make sure that you are opening the right link. Once verified, then tap here on Downloads. Now there are three options as we are using Windows, so we will click on Windows. Here we will download Audacity without MuseHub installer, so we will tap on this download button. Automatically, it will begin to download. It will take a couple of seconds, also depends upon your internet speed. Once downloaded, tap on it. Press OK, then press Next, 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 Next. Install. Congratulations! Audacity has been successfully installed in our system. Now it's showing two more options. Basically, MuseHub app is like App Store, where you can find free premium plugins and sounds. To get it, tap here on MuseHub app, then tap on Download, install it. It will take a minute to launch. Now, if you want to edit your audios in Audacity in a professional way, then leave a comment below. I will definitely consider it and will make a complete tutorial. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.